Hello yogis, and welcome to Yoga with me, Lena. And today we're going to have an awesome practice that's going to help you to just get that little boost to feel your best. So hop into something comfortable and let's get started. So let's just close our eyes for a minute. Take a nice deep breath in. As you breathe out, just allow your shoulders to drop. Another nice deep breath in. And as you breathe out, just feel your body relaxing. Just becoming present to this moment because it's the only moment we have. And just setting an intention for your practice today. An intention is just shows you whatever you focus on is where your energy flows. So why not focus on something you would like? And let's just set an intention, starting with I allow myself, and then you fill in the blank, whatever makes you feel your best. For me, I'm going to put in the word love because I love feeling loved. I love practicing yoga, and I really like to start my day with love. So gently open your eyes and just rolling your shoulders one way and then rolling your shoulders the other way. Maybe do some neck rolls here. Breathing in as you come forward, breathing out as you come back. Another nice deep breath in as you come forward, breathing out as you come back. And then let's go over on the other direction, breathing in as you come forward, breathing out as you come back. Do a few more here, just opening up and stretching the neck muscles. Now we're just going to raise our hands, stretch up, feel that stretch, push your tailbone down and just stretching up, and then just bringing one hand on the knee and the back hand behind you, either on the floor or you can take it around you, and just breathing in, stretching up, pushing your tailbone down and just taking it into a lovely stretch and just going as far as you can. Take another nice deep breath in, stretching up, and as you breathe out, just going a bit further if you can, and then come to the center. Let's stretch up again, and we're going to do the other side. Breathing in, stretch up, and as you're breathing out, one hand on the knee, the other hand on the floor, or taking it behind you, breathing in, stretching up, and as you breathe out, just twisting. One more time, breathing in, stretching up, and as you breathe out, twisting as far as you can. And then coming to the center. Now coming into all fours, our knees and our hands. This is called tabletop. And we're just going to do some cat and cow. And if you can bring in your hands like this. You can stay like this if that's comfortable for you, but bring in your hands like this. So you're going to stretch your fingers and your wrists, and then placing your toes onto the mat so they get a nice stretch, and then breathing in and looking up, breathing out and curving your spine, breathing in, looking up, breathing out, looking down. One more time, breathing in, looking up, breathing out, looking down. Now bringing your hands behind you like this. And then we're going to just sway from side to side. Just breathing in deeply, take your time. And then taking your hands in front of you. And you're going to do some nice hip rolls. You can place your toes flat onto the mat. And just swaying from side to side, again breathing in as you come forward, breathing out as you come back. Do one more circle. And then when you come to the front, let's go in the other direction. Nice deep breaths. And then when you're coming into the front, just taking your hands in front, stretching your arms in front of you and just coming back onto your heels if you can. Just feeling a beautiful stretch on your hands, your arms, and your back. And then coming up. And then we're going to lift one arm, breathing in as you look up, and then coming down, and you're coming through like threading a needle, bringing your hands up, and then coming down, bringing your hands up, and then coming down, and then placing your hand back on the mat. Let's go over on the other side, breathing in and looking up, breathing out, looking down, breathing in, looking up, breathing out, bringing your hand and just threading it like a needle, breathing in, looking up, breathing out and looking down. And then crossing one foot over the other, just coming back and just coming into seated. Placing one foot by your inner thigh and just stretching up. As you stretch up, pushing your tailbone down and just coming down and feeling a beautiful stretch. Now you might be here, that's wonderful. You might be here, that's great. You might even be able to come down, that's even great. There's no such thing as a perfect posture. Just do what feels comfortable to you. You know your body best. There's no, and you know those magazines and social media that have that perfect posture. There's no such thing. It's just what works for your body. So listen to your body, honor your body, and do what feels right. I'm just going to take a nice deep breath in and just breathing out as you come forward, feeling a beautiful stretch on the back of your head, your neck, your back, coming all the way to your lower back, and then feeling a nice stretch on your hips, even the back of your hamstring with the leg that is straight. And then let's swap over. Breathing in, stretching up, pushing your tailbone down, and then just coming down. You might find one side is tighter than another, or more flexible than the other. So just come as far as you can, just allowing your head to hang, feeling a beautiful stretch again, back of the leg, back of the neck, the head, the spine. Just feeling a beautiful stretch even on the hips. And coming up slowly. And then we're just going to move our legs from side to side. And then one more time. And then bringing your legs to cross-legged. And just closing your eyes. Thanking your body for this practice. Thanks for practicing with me today. I hope you enjoyed it. Share it with anybody who you think will benefit. Subscribe so I can continue making free videos on YouTube. And I hope to see you again on the mat. Until next time, namaste.